Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add Telegram chat to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you just be in Elementor, and when you're going to be here, scroll down below to the description and click on a link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Telegram chat. So then go to top right and click sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. Completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Click login. Then you're gonna be here in applications, and you just want to write in search Telegram. Let's create a widget. Now you have options to go with general support, sale, booking, or just go with a simple one with this one and just add a Telegram account, your username, your link, click save. Right after do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version, but if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, up to 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. Prestaň. Oh God. Write HTML, paste the code, and voila. Let's preview the changes. And you can see right here in the top bottom right, like my dog is trying to bite my cable, so I needed to stop him. And you can see it right here. So what you can do also is to write it to your appearance theme editor and write it to your body, under your body. That's what you can do too. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. And sorry for my dog, but he's a new, he got like 9 months and he's so damn crazy. Just write it here and update the file. And then it will be like around the whole site. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.